How to use Mistral AI. This is going to show you how to use LeChat by Mistral AI. So first of all, you're going to want to go directly to this URL or type it into Google. It's chat.mistralalai/chat. You can type it in Google as LeChat or Mistral AI. Once you're there, agree and continue. And then you can actually, once you're on this website here, go ahead and type in a few searches as you wish. You're going to get a few answers. But also you will need to be able to either sign in, which most of you won't have an account already, or sign up in the top right hand corner so it saves the chats that you're doing. You can kind of go back and forth with that. So you can go ahead, sign up with Apple, Google, or Microsoft, or just create a LeChat by Mistral AI account on there. For me, I'm going to choose to go ahead and use my existing Google account. So you can go through, click continue and use it as such. And there you can go ahead and use LeChat by Mistral AI and it will save your chats on the left hand side. Leave a like on the video for help, and subscribe for more helpful videos.